Welcome all. Today let's discuss about how to verify your YouTube channel. To do this via mobile, go to Chrome and visit your YouTube and log in through Gmail ID. Select the desktop view through the right corner menu by clicking the desktop site from the top down. So you could see that here now. So once you do that, what you get is you reach this page. This page shows that the updated tree is verified. My channel is verified. This is it, how to select the desktop site, which I told you earlier. Then go to the profile icon at the rightmost top and select settings from the drop down menu. Then here select channel status and features. From there a page will come to verify. You have to select your country. Then either they may call you or they may text you a code. You have to type it here and get verified. Only that much. If you select call me, then a voice call, they will reach you through a voice call. Please attend the call. Only then you will get the OTP to type it there, because don't make it a missed call. Don't cut it. So in that way your YouTube channel is verified. For doing the same through PC, that is desktop, the only step to ignore is the selection of desktop site, which we selected earlier. Proceed all other steps as such, which you did for through mobile. Your YouTube is verified. Still, if you have clarifications or doubts, you may refer my blog for deep understanding. Thank you. Bye.